If you have Protrack feed, it's possible to feed your animals to herd test results. To do this, open Mind Alive, click on Herd Management, click Groups. Now we're going to create a new rules-based group. Add group, rules-based, group name, we'll call it High Producers. We're going to base it on the whole herd. Let's add an attribute, which will be herd test milk solids. Now you can do it on litres. I prefer milk solids. And then we have to select the herd test. I'm going to select the latest herd test, 22nd of March. Add attribute. Now herd test milk solids has been added, 22nd of March. Next. I also want to filter on this group. So I just make sure I select a filter on it. Finish. As you can see now, the filters come through, and this is the look of our herd. We want to perhaps have the top 30% getting fed as the high producers group. So top 30, and that'll select that top 30% just in here. And now this group, this list of animals, is our top 30%. So we're going to save that group. And then we're going to make our way back to Protrack. Now we're in Protrack, let's head to feed, menu, feed. And now we want to add a new recipe. We're going to name this High Producers. And then we're going to add the group that we just created over in Mind Alive. High Producers. So now that that group has been selected and it's based on that last herd test, we can allocate feed. Just 2 kgs, AM, PM. Also worth pointing out, this is just a demo rig with one feed head set up. If you have multiple feed heads, they'll be shown here under AM and PM. Now that's all set up, click Save. So you can create as many of these groups as you like. You may want to create one for low producers. Another thing to remember is that group is based on that one specific herd test. So if you do a new herd test, you'll want to go back into Mind Alive and adjust the group to fit the new herd test.